The remains of a Chinese rocket that was moving towards Earth have fallen into the Indian Ocean, the Chinese Space Agency says. The bulk of the rocket was damaged as it re-entered the atmosphere, but state media reported that debris landed just west of the Maldives on Sunday, 9th of May 20,201. There have been days of speculation over where the rocket might land, and U.S. officials and other experts warned its return risked potential casualties. But China insisted the risk was low. The Long March 5B vehicle re-entered the atmosphere at 10:24 Beijing time, 2:24 GMT, on Sunday, state media reported, citing the Chinese Manned Space Engineering Office. There were no reports of injuries or damage. It said debris from the 18-ton rocket, one of the biggest items in decades to have an undirected dive into the atmosphere, landed in the Indian Ocean at a point 72.47 degrees east and 2.65 degrees north. China launches the first module of the new space station. Space debris removal demonstration launches. U.S. Space Command, meanwhile, simply said the rocket had re-entered over the Arabian Peninsula. It did not confirm the landing point reported by Chinese media, saying instead that it was unknown if the debris had impacted land or water. The monitoring service SpaceTrack, which uses U.S. military data, said the rocket was recorded above Saudi Arabia before it dropped into the Indian Ocean near the Maldives. The uncontrolled return of the rocket led to pointed criticism from the U.S. amid fears that it could land in an inhabited area. U.S. and European websites tracked its return, and there was much speculation on social media about where the debris might land. Spacefaring nations must minimize the risks to people and property on Earth, U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin said in a statement. It is clear that China is failing to meet responsible standards regarding their space debris. Space experts, however, predicted that the chances of anyone being hit were very small, not least because so much of the Earth's surface is covered by ocean and huge areas of land are uninhabited. The main segment from the Long March 5B vehicle was used to launch the first module of China's new space station last month. Originally injected into an elliptical orbit approximately 160 kilometers by 375 kilometers, 99 miles by 233 miles, above the Earth's surface on 29th of April, the Long March 5B core stage soon began to lose height. Various space debris modeling experts predicted that most of the vehicle would burn up during its final plunge through the atmosphere. Although there was always the possibility that metals with high melting points and other resistant materials could survive on the Earth's surface. When a similar core stage returned to Earth a year ago, piping assumed to be from the rocket was identified on the ground in Ivory Coast in West Africa. China has bridled at the suggestion that it has been negligent in allowing the uncontrolled return of so large an object. Commentary in the country's media had described Western reports about the potential hazards involved as hype and predicted the debris would fall somewhere in international waters. In recent years, China has made no secret of its space ambitions. The country has poured billions of dollars into its space efforts. And in 2019 it became the first country to send an uncrewed rover to the far side of the moon. President Xi Jinping has also thrown his support behind the endeavors, and state media has frequently cast the space dream as one step in the path to national rejuvenation. The Tiangong space station could be up and running as early as next year, and there is also talk in Chinese media of missions to Mars and a potential shared lunar station with Russia. The remains of a Chinese rocket